In this video, I will show you how to use Bandicut Video Editor to cut video parts on your PC. Let's follow these simple steps. Open Bandicut by typing it in the Windows search box. Write Bandicut. Then click on the Open option. Once the Bandicut interface opens, click on Open File. Now, select the desired video file you want to cut. After importing, you will see the actual video length, which is 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Now, adjust the timeline bar according to the part of the video you want to cut. As per our requirement, the final video length should be 58 seconds instead of 5 minutes and 5 seconds. To proceed, click on the Start button. Select the mode, High Speed, which is recommended. Then click on the Start button again. After a few moments, the task will be completed. To view the final result, click on the Open button. I hope this video will be helpful for you.